In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide followers and following lists on Instagram. This is really about controlling who can see your social circle on the app. By the end of this video, your account will be set to private, which means only approved followers will be able to see your followers and following lists, as well as your posts and stories. First, open Instagram and make sure you're on your main home dashboard. This is the screen with your feed, where you see posts from people you follow. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in, and you should land on that homepage automatically. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the menu. Near the bottom of that column, you'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This will open a small menu with additional options related to your account and settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where you can control most of your privacy, security, and account preferences. It may open in a new panel or window, but just stay within Instagram's interface. Inside the settings area, look for a section called Account Privacy. This is the key section for what we're doing. Click on Account Privacy to open the privacy options specifically tied to your profile visibility. Here you'll see an option called Private Account, usually with a toggle switch next to it. If the toggle is currently off, that means your account is public, and anyone can see your followers and following list just by visiting your profile. To change that, click on the toggle to turn it on. When you turn on the private account toggle, Instagram will show a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to switch to a private account. This is a good moment to remember what this change does. From now on, only people you approve as followers will be able to see your content and your followers and following lists. People who don't follow you or whose follow requests you don't accept will not be able to see those details. To confirm, click on Switch to Private. Instagram will apply the change, and your account will now be private. That's it. Your followers and following lists are now effectively hidden from anyone who isn't an approved follower, giving you much more control over your privacy on Instagram.